Yeah,
Uh,
you said that you feel how about Pakistan compared to India because you said I have
yeah,
been to
coming
India.
coming coming from some cities of India, I feel here is cleaner. I thought it would be more or less the same, and it's clean. It's very green. Architecture is amazing. I visited some mosques, and
Okay.
yesterday I was very impressed about the colors, the geometric architecture of the mosques, and the people are being incredible with me. Sometimes it's difficult to pay for food. They don't let me pay.
Nice.
Offer me juice and food and tea, whatever. And in the end, they say, no, I don't want money.
Hmm.
You are
Guest.
Iman, like
Mehman.
Irman, like friend.
Mehman means guest.
Mehman. Okay,
Mehman,
okay,
guest.
okay. Guest.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm having a great experience so far, and
Nice. How many other cities you are planning to visit?
so after Lahore, go to Islamabad. From Islamabad to Unza, Fermiados, Kalash, Swat Valley, Peshawar, and that's probably it. No time for
Nice.
more.
So you are visiting first time Pakistan.
Yeah, first time.
Okay, what do you think about the government? Like we are having uh, PTI, Imran Khan. Maybe you know.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? What do you think about the government? How do you feel about?
So I don't have a very strong opinion because I'm not an expert. I never read a lot about it, but I know that Imran Khan is very popular among the people. I think people in general like him. He did like some good things for the country. That's my impression. And I know that he was illegally arrested about 2 weeks ago or something,
Mhm.
without a trial, and people just protested, and the court demanded the release of Imran Khan. That's all I know about the subject. I don't know much about Pakistan politics, honestly, but I know that supposedly he was accused of I would say corruption, so they can take him out of the race because he's probably the one who's going to win the next elections, right? So this is not my opinion. This is the
You
impression I
just
have.
think about it.
Kind of is what I see in the news. Okay,
Okay, okay, nice, nice.
because he's a strong candidate, so they want to take him
Okay,
out of the race apparently. Shukriya.